Okay, over to Kawasaki. Got the 2015 zx1000R ABS. I don't think they changed this any this year.
Not that you were.
And the little tamer brother, 2015 zx6R ABS. Nice looking pipe.
Oh, really? Yeah.
And the 2015 Ninja 1000 ABS. 12 grand this year. Ouch. Leader bikes are getting expensive.
That's weird.
And the Z1000. New paint scheme here. It's a very metallic green. It's like a Kermit the Frog green though. Not as light as typical Cali green. Sparkly like a bowling ball. Or a bass boat. Here we have the former horsepower king for Kawi, zx14R. Still very impressive. Got the monster claw stripe still. It's a burnt orange red. I actually like it. And then the Kawasaki is in a dull gold, kind of a cross between gold and bronze. Really goes well with that burnt umber, red, orange, whatever they're calling it. Changes in the light a little bit. And of course the Concourse 14. Getting a little long in the tooth. I expected an all-new model this year. And then the 14 also comes in the traditional Kawi green, very metallic again. Not quite as Kermit the Frog green as the other one, but very sparkly. Definitely a rolling bass boat. You got to be into that look to love this. Here we have the new horsepower king. This is the track only Ninja H2R, complete with Kevlar, carbon fiber everywhere, aluminum, and wings. Yes, wings. And a supercharged engine, putting out gobs of power. We're all anxiously awaiting the street version. They've got their KL. This is a 650. Big bike. Here we have the new 2015 Versys 1000 LT. Hard bags, detachable. A little bit of a luggage rack. Got a metallic black. And a much more orange than the ZX14. A little bit of a metallic in it. Not the bowling ball effect though. This is the level I like. Very modern looking cowl. Sharp lines. Then we have it in green, decked out with more touring options, including a small tank bag. Looks like it would fit one helmet and a little bit of gear. I don't know if those bags would fit a helmet or not. I would assume at least a small or medium. Soft tank bag on it. Looks like a... nope, strap down. I was going to say it looks magnetic. Hand guards. Auxiliary front lighting, ABS, and a manually adjustable windscreen. Pretty cool looking. Kind of competing with the RS and the Super Tenerés. Here we've got the new Vulcan S. Low slung. Very aerodynamic, matte black finished. A little bit of a carbon fiber weave, very much like a lamb seat option. Chain drive. Very stealthy. ABS, gloss black wheels. Very cool. And the big boy, the Vulcan 1700. Lots of metallic green again. Not super sparkly though. Hard bags, canyon cages, big floorboards, matte black finish on parts of the engine, chrome on the fins. Little tiny lip of a windshield stock. Chrome front gauges. Very traditional. And here it is in more touring form. Big hard bag. Pillion support. Much cushier saddle. Lots more chrome. Floorboards front and rear. It's a very metallic dark gray. A little bit of a green accent there. Gotta be for Cowie. Lots of front lighting. Bigger windshield. Speakers, lots more chrome everywhere. Definitely more the Harley beater. Now with the Vulcan S, they're advertising customize your fit. I remember Harley doing this back in the day. You could go in and kind of customize where you wanted everything. Choose your seat, footing, handlebar positions. I got this set up to test. So they're really trying to draw everybody in they possibly can. They're advertising this. Great for people 6'1" and over. Here we've got the 900, the Vulcan 900 custom. Big matte black pipes, huge saddle. Absolutely huge wide saddle. Way bigger than any other here, even the big touring bike. Combo of matte and gloss black finishes, a little bit of chrome. Very gloss black paint. More of the flashy naked look. Here we have the Vulcan 900 Classic for 2015. Matte black, lot of matte paints this year at the show. And a matte white. Just a little bit of chrome for splashes. A little bit of green stripes. Can't say I like the green stripes on stuff like this. Kind of ruins the look in my opinion. A lot of gloss and matte black through the engine as well. Big chrome pipes. Kind of a different classic look. Have to say, I don't know if the customer that likes this kind of bike is going to go for that green stripe. And here we have it in LT trim. Gives you the more traditional Harley look with the studded leather everywhere, the soft bags. Lots more chrome. Metallic. Very dark gray, almost black finish with gloss black accents on the sides. Bigger windshield, pillion support, floorboards, and big chrome pipes. Still has that green stripe. We got the 2015, the little entry Ninja 300, very popular. I don't believe any changes this year other than the color. It's your very traditional, straight, semi-gloss Cowie green. No frills. $5,300. It's getting a little expensive though in my opinion for a little tiny 300 engine. We've got the Ninja 650 ABS. Pretty straightforward here. And they got a nice race bike here on display. Very cool. Lots of parts I don't know about.